Hey Cam fam, welcome back and welcome to Keeping Up with Cam. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back. Today we have for you our toddler boy hairstyle video number 53. Alright, so getting into it, this is going to be a quick style. This is a very unisex style, if I do say so myself, so you can use this one on your little girls as well. This is just something I thought I would put out there and see how I like it, because I really wanted to work with the shells. So I am doing this on, I think, 2-day-old hair, 1-day-old hair, something like that. So I've put some water. I'm going in with our Kuza 100% Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment. I'm just putting that on any spots that I see that need the extra help, like any spots that I see that may be dry. This is what it looks like inside. As you can see, it has the natural products in there. So after you do put it in the hair, just make sure you go over with your finger or your comb when you're done the hairstyle to make sure any random pieces aren't still laying around. So we are going to do a zigzag part. You can do them with long slits, short slits, whatever you want. I think I did small, medium. I did originally do it all the way down. I did change my mind after, so pay attention to that. I'm going in with our Shine and Jam, the yellow. This is our extra hold. Don't hate me, guys. I didn't buy the red one. I really actually bought a new yellow. I have issues starting and trying new things, okay? I really like the way this works, and it's not too harsh of a hold, and it doesn't leave product behind, so I'm gonna stick with this for now. But when I do try the red, you guys will be the first to know how I feel about it. All right, so I am parting the back. We're splitting that into two. I'm now going to go in and use our Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. Absolutely love this product. I can't rave enough about it. It's great for his low porosity hair, as it is really water based. It's not as thick as other hair butters, so it works perfectly for his hair type. Speaking of which, as you can see, I'm adding more water and I'm finger detangling as I go and adding in more product. As this is being done on dry hair, his hair gets extra dry because it's low porosity, so you got to make sure that you are moisturizing it, you're adding your products. This is our Jamaican black castor oil and extra virgin olive oil mixture. I actually am about to try a new one like tomorrow, a new type of oil that I think may be better. So I will keep you guys updated in the next video on how I liked it. I'm going in with our Even Flow brush. I'm just letting you guys see you gotta brush it through. Always brush through. Make sure you're getting all the tangles out. As you can see by brushing the ends, I'm taking it from the dry texture that it was, and it's got its curl, it's got its bounce. So I'm using our Goody black elastic bands. I get those from Walmart. The link's in the description box. Once I get those out, I'm going to make sure that I have combed, I have brushed, I have finger detangled, combed, and brushed again. And then I'm going to go in with 2 elastics because it's a bigger section. I just want it to be a little safer, a little extra secure. Put those 2 elastics, and again, as you can see, it was dry, and I brushed through it, and the curls are bouncing. So just make sure piece by piece you guys are just remembering to detangle and work your way through smaller portions. So for those of you who saw the post, you guys would have noticed that I did tease that I started with some new products. I did not forget about you. I will talk about it in 1 minute. I'm just going to let you guys know that we're working with 2 braids per section. So we're going to split that back first back piece into 2, and then you're just going to braid it like a regular braid, and you're going to repeat. So I actually washed Cam's hair with his regular Shea Moisture shampoo. Love. Absolute best. Like I can't even get into it how much I love it. But so I use the ORS Olive Oil Girls Moisture Rich Conditioner. I'm gonna insert a picture. It's with avocado oil for dry, unruly hair. It says it nourishes, tames tangles. This stuff I was really excited to use because compared to other conditioners, again, not as thick. So I wanted to just try something new that may give me a different result. I had a mixed result on this first use, but I think it's because of something that I did or didn't do. So I'm gonna reserve my review until I use it a second time so I can tell you guys for sure if what happened is what's gonna always happen or if it was just my mistake. But I will say it has a nice smell, it has a nice ease of use to it. So 2 points right there, but I want to see its overall abilities in his hair. So next video, I'll be able to give you guys the full review of that product. And just like that, we are on to the front. Remember, you're going to put those same 2 braids that are on the right onto the left side because we're working with 4 sections in total for this hairstyle. So with this one, we are adding the water. We've added our moisturizing hair butter. I'm making sure that I'm working it into all of the hair, root to tip. I'm detangling with my hand as I go, just to make it easier on myself, less breakage, less tension on the hair. And I'm adding in oil. I did not put products in his hair when I washed it. So that's why I'm doing that right now. If you've already done that in the wash process, don't even worry about it. So I've gone in now, I've added in the Shine and Jam to the perimeter. I am brushing with my soft brush. Again, it will be in the description box below. Then I'm using my tail comb, and then I'm going in with the even flow brush, all in the description box. I just want to make sure that I'm getting it worked through entirely before I put my elastics in. Again, another 2, just to make sure that this bigger section is secured. And you're going to pull it taut but not tight. We don't want to pull on their perimeter. We don't want any tension. We don't want to hurt their hair. And we've split that section in 2 again, and you're just braiding down like normal. Nothing to it. You can actually do these as twists if you prefer. You can do them as 1 braid per section, 1 twist per section. You could add 3 or 4, whatever you like. This is just kind of a guide. This is how I preferred to do it. But if you have thicker hair, you might want to make more. If you have thinner hair, you might want to make 1. I will let you guys know that I was a little apprehensive to upload this video. I felt that this style kind of gave off girly vibes. I really did like it. I really wanted to work with the shells, and I thought this was a really cute and quick style. So it may not be the one for you guys, but if you do like it like I like it, go ahead and give it a try. So we are going to twist the 2 braids. We're going to do that for the back and the front section, and then just kind of do a little braid towards the end just to keep the end secure. Add your elastic. I did originally put an elastic at the end of each braid, but you cannot do that and just put the 1 elastic at the end of the twists. Alright, so now for the star of the show, our plated cowrie shell with ring. I actually was only able to find this one. The one I used originally was not this, but this worked as well. As you can see, they come in different colors. It has the large clip. I just open that up, and then I just put it through the braid, and then close it back up and hide the enclosure. Don't close it like right to each other, kind of overlap it a little bit and hide it. That way it's extra secure. You can put in as many or as few as you like. We went with 2, 1 in each braid. I put 1 in the front and 1 in the back just to kind of even out and balance out the hair. But it's up to you. You can also forego this if you wish, but I honestly really did this style just to put these shells in because he loves them and we've had them sitting around for a while, and I'm like, no, it's time to make use of these. And that's a wrap. Look at this smile. He loved this hairstyle. He loves his shells. This is what we ended up with. We have 4 sections in total. We have a zigzag part in the upper section, straight parts in the rest of the head. Each section is split into 2, and we've added in 2 shells to each. I hope you guys enjoy this style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, as I've said, for tuning in. Any questions, concerns, comments, anything, hit us up in the comment section below. Also find us on our Instagram. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. We love you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.